In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a location icon into your Microsoft Word document. This simple task can enhance the visual appeal of your document, making it more engaging and easier to follow. Whether you're working on a project, creating a report, or simply adding some flair to your documents, icons like a location mark can make a significant difference. So, let's jump right in and get started. The first step is to open your Microsoft Word file. If you already have a document open, great. If not, go ahead and open the one where you'd like to insert the location icon. Make sure you have a specific spot in mind for where this icon will be placed, as it'll help streamline the process. Once your document is open, look toward the top of the window. You'll see several tabs that offer different tools and features. Focus on the Insert tab. Click on it. You'll now be presented with a variety of options for inserting elements into your document. This is where the magic happens. Next, under the Insert tab, find and click on Icons. This is the gateway to a wide range of icons available for use. Now in the search bar that appears within the Icons dialog box, type in the word Location. Doing this will bring up results related to location, specifically the map location symbol that we're looking for. Once you see the location icon you'd like to use, go ahead and click on it. Microsoft Word provides a nice selection of icons, but for this, you'll want to select the one that resembles the classic map location symbol. After clicking on it, you'll notice a small preview indicating that it has been selected. Then simply click the Insert button at the bottom right of the window. Now the location icon is placed into your document. Go ahead and move it around to your desired position. You can click and drag the icon to reposition it, or resize it to fit the document's layout better, ensuring it complements the text and overall design. Feel free to explore additional formatting options, such as changing its color or adding effects to make it stand out even more. And that's it. You've successfully inserted a location icon into your Word document. I hope you found these instructions easy to follow and are ready to apply them to your own documents. Icons are a powerful way to make documents more visually appealing and to convey information quickly and clearly. Thank you for joining me today, and be sure to check out my other tutorials for more tips on enhancing your Microsoft Word skills. Happy editing!